All right, so let's begin again. I'll just wait for a minute or two to let all the participants join us. All right, so do we have all the participants with us right now? So I believe Lovepreet had introduced herself. Now let's move to Manav.
Hello, ma'am. Good
Hello.
morning.
Good morning.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Manav Goyal. I am 19 years old. I have passed 12th from the State Public School Nakoda. My aim in life to become software engineer, so I opted CSE in the Khalsa College of Engineering. My hobbies are playing cricket, chess, and online games. That's all about me. Thank you.
All right, that was well said. Now let's move to Manav Sharma, roll number 199.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
My name is Manav Sharma. I completed my higher secondary education from IBY World School, Jalandhar. Currently, I am pursuing my undergraduate course BTech CSC from LKCTC. I want to be a software engineer, and I love to listen to music and watch cricket.
All right.
Thank you, ma'am.
So that was a good introduction, right? So now let's hear from Mandeep. Mandeep, am I audible? So Mandeep, we can come back to you later in case I am not audible or there is a network issue, right? So we have Monica.
Hello.
Yes, so that is that Mandeep or is that Monica?
Yeah, ma'am, it's Monica.
All right, Monica, go ahead.
Yeah, ma'am, it's Monica. I belong to Jalandhar. The branch is BTech CSC first year.
Okay,
Ma'am,
okay.
my mainly hobby I love to do what makes my family happy.
All
Thank you,
right.
ma'am.
So that was quite brief from your side. So who else do we have here with us? Pardeep. Roll number ends with 206.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
My name is Pradeep Kumar, and I have completed my 10th and plus 2 from Doba Khalsa Model Senior Secondary School, and now I am doing BTech in CSC from Lalpur Khalsa College of Engineering. And my hobby is to listening music, playing cricket, and watching movies. And I want to become a software engineer or ethical hacker.
Oh, ethical hacker.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That's interesting. All right.
Thank you.
All right. So let's move on to Neha.
Yes, ma'am. Good
Yes.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Neha.
Ma'am, myself, Neha Sirotia from BTech CS Civil Students. My hometown in Jammu district, Kathua. I am I am studying +1, +2 in Government Higher Secondary School, Chandwa. I like free time in reading books and playing games. I am a positive thinker. Thank you, ma'am.
All right, that's good. Yes, we all should be positive thinkers, at least for the time we can manage to be. So now let's hear from Rahul. So Rahul, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
All
Good
right,
morning, ma'am.
Rahul. Good morning.
My name is Rahul Meher. I am 12th pass of GADC and school Sharpo. My hobby is listening music and I like to play games and I am a good player of volleyball and my friends and my family. Thank you.
So sorry, I got occupied somewhere. So it was Rahul, you were introducing yourself, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Could you please repeat it?
My name is Rahul Meher and I am 12th pass of GADC and school Sharpo. My hobby is listening music and I like to play games and I am a good player of volleyball and I want to become a software engineering and my contract my family. Thank you, ma'am.
All right, that's good. So now let's hear from Rajneesh. Rajneesh, am I audible? So what about Rishabh?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Myself Rishabh. I'm basically from Talwada, district of Jharpur. I have passed my 10th plus 2 class from TNV Jalandhar, and now I'm studying in Library Khasa College in BTech CSC. Ma'am, my
Yes, what else?
hobby some more than others.
Rishabh, I couldn't hear you. Probably it's a network issue at my end or your end. Could you repeat that?
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever the last sentence was, could you repeat it?
Ma'am, I want to do something different than others.
Okay, you want to do something different from others.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, that's wonderful. So that was a good introduction. Let's move to Rushant. Rushant, am I audible to you?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Rushant, good
Hello,
morning.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Myself, Rushant. I am from Jalandhar. I did my plus two from Devisai as this Senior Secondary School, Jalandhar. Now I am doing BTech CSC at Lylesburg Khalsa College. And my hobbies are to listening music and playing cricket. I have also great interest in English subject. Thank you, ma'am.
All right. So that was a good introduction. Let's move to Satyam.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
My name is Satyam. I am a student of currently I am a student of BTech CSE second semester from Kharagpur Khalsa College. I am basically from Bihar, but I currently live in Jalandhar city. And my hobby is to learn. My hobby is to listen to music, reading books like codings, different language books. And I like to watch movies, videos, or movies like Hollywood, Bollywoods. And my short-term goal is to achieve a success. My short-term goal to get a job in a reputed company, and my long-term goal is to achieve a success. And last, I would like to say, don't believe in luck, believe in hard work.
Okay, that is your mantra for life. That's good.
Yes,
So now that was a good introduction, Satyam. Let's move to Sarthak. Sarthak, am I audible? Sarthak, am I audible? All right. So Shalini. Shalini, is some network issue at your end? Okay. So let's move further. Simarpreet Kaur.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
My name is Simarpreet Kaur. I am currently doing my BTech from Laipur Khalsa College of Engineering. I belong to a nuclear family. I am self-motivated. I enjoy spending time with my friends. I like to do painting. I am always keen to upskill myself by learning new things whenever I get a chance. I like to do my all work on time, and I consider myself hardworking. Thank you, ma'am.
All right, that was a good introduction. So do we have Simran Kaur?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Simran.
My name is Simran Kaur, and I am pursuing my BTech CSC in Laipur Khalsa Technical Campus. My hobbies are to listening music and traveling with friends. I am a positive thinker. That's all, ma'am.
All right, that was a good effort. So Sukhpal.
Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I am Sukhpal from Adhampur. I completed my plus 2 at senior secondary school with 75% marks. My hobby is horse riding, and I'm also have a player of kabaddi. I live in a joint family, and there is 14 people in my family. My father is also a player of kabaddi, but that time he's can't no more. I'm not a good student. I am average student, but I do some work. I give it 100% from myself. Otherwise, I can't do. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so if you set your mind on doing something, you will give your 100%. Otherwise, you won't begin
Yes,
it
ma'am.
at all.
Otherwise-
All right.
Begin it. All
Right. So that is good.
right. Thank you, ma'am.
All right. So let's move to Surbhi Sharma.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
First of all, I am really grateful for this opportunity. I am Surbhi Sharma. I am from Jalandhar and currently pursuing BTech in CSE branch from LTCE. My father is an army officer and my mother was a teacher, but due to some reason, she didn't continue teaching. I love reading novels related to surgical strikes or something related to self-growth. If I recommend 2 to 3 books, that should be Indian Bravehearts from Lieutenant General Satish Dua, and another one is A New Earth or Think and Grow Rich. I love going to adventuring trips. Like I recently visit with Jawahar Institute of Mountaineering, and I am currently developing interest in coding. That's all. Thank you, mom.
Thank you. That was well said. Right? So now let's hear from Tamanna. And Talvinder, in case you have a network issue, you may write it in the chat. At least I can check your grammar. Right? And you can speak it out loud next time whenever the network is better.
Ma'am, can I start?
Yes, Tamanna, please go ahead.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm Tamanna from Jalandhar. I have completed my 10th from SC Model School, which is ICSE board, and 12th from CBSE board. Presently, I'm pursuing my BTech from Lalpur Khalsa College. And if I talk about my best and worst qualities, best is that I'm very helpful in nature. I'm of very helping nature, and I used to live in detachment zone. And if I was talk about the worst qualities, it's that sometimes I used to become so much short-tempered. So I'm just working upon them because I want to be the best, whether it's the best version of myself or in my career. And if I used to talk about my hobbies, it's just listening music and reading books. Not actually reading, but listening audiobooks.
All right.
That's all, ma'am.
So that was good. Right? And Tamanna, yes, you can say, if you want to say that talking about my hobbies, you won't use the word I used to or used to talk about. Used to is used for when we talk about, refer to the past tense, something which has already happened. So in case you want to just, start a sentence where you are going to mention your hobby, you could say, talking about my hobbies, this is what I enjoy doing, right? I enjoy listening to music or whatever you enjoy doing, right?
Okay,
So otherwise it was a good effort, and we can always work on grammar. That is no issue. I just need to see what are your ideas and how you are organizing them. So let's hear from Vishakha.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
My name is Vishakha. Jalandhar is my hometown, and I am currently studying in BTech CSE second semester at LKCTC. And I am extremely passionate about learning software development. And my aim in life has always been to become a successful and proficient software engineer. My hobbies are listening music, painting, traveling, and singing songs. I love to spend time in nature, and I invest my energy in positive present moment, which always help me a lot. I am practical and also have a never give up attitude. And I always try to give my best at learning new things and the work I am doing at that time. That's it, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
All right, that was a good introduction. So now let's hear from Vishal Gupta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
My name is Vishal Gupta. I am from J&K. I completed my 12th from Government Model Higher Secondary School, Busoli with 90% marks. My hobbies are to play football, sketching, and know more about the scientific facts. I am also interested in computer-based activities like coding, editing, etc. In my family, we are 5 members, including me, my father, mother, and 2 sisters. My aim is to build my career in cybersecurity as well as in artificial intelligence. Thank you.
That's fascinating. Cybersecurity and artificial intelligence. So
Yes,
let's hear from Vishal Kumar.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
My name is Vishal Kumar. I am basically from Jalandhar. I have done my plus 2 from Guru Amadas Public School, Jalandhar. My hobbies are, ma'am, playing volleyball, listening music, gymming, and traveling with friends. Thank you, ma'am.
All right. So anybody who's left and would want to, introduce themselves now? Himanshu, did you get a chance to introduce yourself? Yes, Himanshu, am I audible to you? So, Himanshu, Daljit, am I audible to you? We had another student, but he is probably given this class a miss. Yes, Mandeep, would you like to
Hello,
go? Yes, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
My
morning.
name is Nandu in Government Senior Secondary School. We are 7 members in our family, including me. In my free time, I enjoy spending time with friends, sometimes listening music. Or my hobbies are reading, listening to music, and painting.
All right. That is good. Would you like to add anything else? So, who's roll number 178? Did roll number 178 get a chance?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, my name is Dipanshu and
All right, Dipanshu,
I
why
am
don't
19 years old.
just
I am from Adampur. I completed my plus 2 from KV2 Adampur. I am doing BTech Computer Science Engineering at Lalpur Khalsa College Engineering, Kent Road. My hobbies are to play cricket and video games. I have interest in coding as well as in network marketing. So due to interest in coding, I have joined BTech Computer Science Engineering, and along with study, I like to do my network marketing work. Thank you, ma'am.
All right, that was good. So yes, Dipanshu, just mention your name as well in your username along with your roll number, right? So
Okay, ma'am.
that makes it
Yes, ma'am.
convenient for me to keep track as well. So anybody else
Okay,
who
ma'am.
would like to go? Daljit, Himanshu, and I believe there was another student here. So Daljit and Himanshu, would you like to go ahead? Am I audible to you, Daljit, Himanshu? Anyway, so just a few things which I noticed and a few tips which I would like to share, right? So first of all, when you introduce yourself, don't use myself this. Since this is grammatically incorrect, right? You can say my name is this, I am this, right? Whatever your name is, avoid using myself so and so, right? And another thing, you need not thank me for giving you this opportunity, right? You can always thank your interviewer at the end of the interview that I am grateful I got to appear in this interview, or I'm grateful that you interviewed me, right? So whenever you're introducing yourself, you may just directly start with the introduction, and you can save the thank you for the end of the interview. All right. Then just a few grammatical errors I noticed which are quite common. First of all, since I already told you, but I'll repeat again. I belong. Similarly, I like to, right? And I like to read books, or I like reading books. Okay? To के साथ बेटा we don't use ing word, we use to read, to listen. I like to go for walks. I like to stay active, right? Whatever you were mentioning. Next, yes, you may skip your family details here. You can mention them if the interviewer particularly asks you. Since you are appearing for a professional interview, in this, let's imagine it is a professional interview. right? So you have to introduce yourself in a manner which is, relevant for a professional environment. Now, in that case, the person might or might not want to know much of your family details. So if you simply mention your hometown, that is enough. And you can elaborate on the family if they ask you, okay, who all are there in your family, right? Usually family details we discuss when we are meeting each other, let's say in an informal context, a casual context. Like you guys, when you met for the first time in the first semester, right? So then while we are just getting to know people around, we do talk about our families as well. Okay, whether you have a joint family or a nuclear family, how many members are there, right? So in a professional interview, you may skip that part. Then yes, do mention your school. Since you are still in college, I am imagining a scenario where you have completed your degree and you're sitting for the placement interview. So in that case, you may not mention your school. It will already be there in your CV. You can directly just say that I completed my BTech in computer science engineering from this college in this year, right? It would probably be the same year. So these are a few things which I felt should be, included. Other than that, yes, I did notice that we all do make certain grammatical mistakes, and I would like to take that up in the next class whenever we meet. It will be very brief, just a revision for you all. We do know our grammar, just we need to revise where to use which tense and what is the form for that particular tense. If we are talking about present tense or past tense, in what form do we make the sentence? All right. So I believe some such exercises will keep repeating so that your language improves over this semester. Till the end of the semester, you have a certain improvement and better hold over the language. All right. So I'll now just share a few tips how you can, work on your language. So for that, I need you to recommend. What do you think can help you improve your language? You may send it in the chat. If you are comfortable, you may speak it out. So tell me, bache, what do you think can help you with the language? Some fun activities, some daily activities, which would serve the purpose of improving your language. Right? Think about it. Because I do understand that, simply reading something in the class, learning something through this medium is not always effective, and it can get tedious and boring. So we have to think of interesting ways to learn a language.
Ma'am?
Yes?
Ma'am,
So,
the main ways to learn a language is reading, writing, speaking, listening.
Very good. Listening.
By all four these, we can learn a language perfectly.
Right, you are completely right about it.
Speaking, writing, and reading.
Right. So, Harmandeep, would you like to add something to it?
Yes.
मैम आई वांट टू आस्क कि हम सिनोनिम्स और जैसे हमारे टेंसेस में गलती होती है, सिनोनिम्स न्यू वर्ड, हर चीज के न्यू वर्ड्स को टेंसेस की लाइन, मतलब एक लाइन बनाएंगे, उसमें देखेंगे कि हम लाइन सही बोल रहे हैं, उस वर्ड को उसमें ऐड करेंगे.
Right. See, for the tenses that yes.
काफी improvement.
Yeah, you are right about it. When you think of what other word you can use here, you get to learn new words which expands your vocabulary and also better hold over the writing and speaking. Right? Your speaking skills improve with new words, your writing skills improve. So yes, you talking about the tenses or the grammar part, see, to work on grammar, I believe reading, all these things help. Listening, speaking, writing, and reading. They do help you. They help improve your language, since if you talk about reading, you're reading books, or if you're reading a newspaper, Over time, you will, learn those patterns of making sentences. And even if you don't know the rule, is sentence mein particularly what tense is being used or what rule is being applied, you will get to know whether it is correct or not simply by reading it. How do we come to this stage? If you are reading, regularly, I would suggest, since, you are going to face a group discussion, an interview sometime in the future, I would suggest that you should be reading a newspaper regularly. Pick any newspaper, any English newspaper. I would suggest Indian Express or even Hindustan Times is a good one. You may find it online over Telegram, or PDFs are available. I believe they put their e-paper as well. So just start with reading the headlines. Start with reading the news which is relevant to you, some news about your city or Punjab, or some news which you find interesting. Start gradually and then move on to reading the editorials. Editorials are the pages, the middle pages of the newspaper, right? So editorials, opinion pieces, different journalists, they give their take on some issue. जैसे आजकल elections are on the way, right? West Bengal में elections चल रही हैं. So some people, they might express their opinions about how it is being done, how election commission is working. So with those, reading those, एक आपका opinion form होगा on whatever are the current issues, right? Similarly, then we have farmers protesting over the new farm laws. If you're familiar with it, if you read the newspapers, you will know what it is about. And if you're asked about it in the interview, you have something to say. You have an opinion on it. You are aware of it. You won't be completely blank, okay, that I don't know what it is all about. So reading newspapers, I would suggest please go ahead, start small, start with 10 minutes, read only for 10 minutes, and then you can move on and adjust your schedule accordingly, right? And for otherwise, I would say we all watch YouTube series or Netflix or any other TV series. Try to watch it without the subtitles. If, I am referring to English, the series in English language in particular, right? We are comfortable with our mother tongue, Hindi or Punjabi. It is English where we hesitate to speak, we hesitate to write, we do not feel as confident. So for that, I would suggest that if you are watching any series, try to watch it without the subtitles. Subtitles also help in some way because some of them are really heavily accented. You are unable to get what they are saying. So yes, you may go ahead with the subtitles, but if you want to improve your listening skills, put off the subtitles and try to listen how they speak, right? Since the native speakers of the language, they have a different pronunciation than us. We are, English is our second language. We have learnt it. It is not our mother tongue, right? What else I would suggest? Yes, try reading newspapers or whatever you find interesting, Marvel comics, any self-help groups, self-help books, or anything for self-improvement, like any genre which you enjoy, whether it is mystery, thriller, murder stories, short stories, right? Do read, do make an effort, do start. ये नहीं सोचना कि मैंने डायरेक्टली नॉवल ही पढ़नी है. No. You are doing this for your own improvement. So whatever you enjoy reading, whatever is convenient, start reading that. All right. So talking about speaking skills, we can improve them with, as much as you speak the language, that is how it will improve. So even if you're talking to each other as friends, try to speak in English. In this class, try to speak or reply always in English. Though I will have more activities where your spoken skills are tested and improved, right? But at your own end also, you must make the effort. Then we have reading. Yes, reading, I'll try to, have few classes, 1 or 2. They would be enough for reading comprehension, right? That would help you understand the text, or that will tell you how to approach a text, right? When you are reading, how to make notes. If you encounter any unfamiliar words, what to do? Like I suggest that you consult a dictionary, right? In case you feel that, okay, your memory is not that strong, you might forget this word. If it is your book or your notes, you may even write the meaning on the side, so that when you read it next time, the meaning is already there, and with repetition, you will learn that particular new word. All right. So any other suggestions which you think might help with your language? So we did discuss that, yes, watching series might help. watching English movies might help, reading more frequently, writing more frequently, right? So what else can you suggest for language improvement? Think of what you do in your free time, any leisure activity which you think might also help with the language. Okay, yes, writing a daily diary. Yes, that is a good suggestion, should be. At times, some of us, we do enjoy maintaining a journal where we write about any memorable days or anything which happens out of the ordinary, which you might want to, yes, daily journaling, which you might want to read later on. So yes, writing a daily diary, let me tell you how it helps you. While you're writing, while you're thinking of the day you had, you try to organize your thoughts about how to write. And then one sentence follows another. It's a story of that particular day or whatever you are writing. It is, let's say, your thoughts on the paper. So this activity of writing helps you, in this exercise of organizing your thoughts. So even when you're sitting for your exam, you're writing something, you will have more clarity. Your speed will be better in writing because you are already doing that exercise of how to organize your thoughts before you write them down on paper. Okay, so yes, at times, we are, हमें वो right word नहीं strike करता. You are very right about it. I feel the same at times. While we are writing or speaking, we cannot find the correct word for expressing. So for this, the tip would be that, you can Google that word. Let's say you are clear about what you want to express. Let's say you want to say that I was really very happy. So yes, you can write very happy, Google it, and you can look for synonyms for the same. Similarly, for other words, if you have, you can express that in a sentence about what you want to write. You can Google that sentence and you will get to know the correct or similar words. And from those words, you can pick the one which is most appropriate. All right? So yes, when you are speaking, you should try to speak in English even with your friends and family. See, पता क्या बेटा, hesitate नहीं कभी करना. क्या हो जाएगा? You would be wrong. But okay, even like people would make fun of you for speaking in English, your friends or family, do not hesitate or give any thought to that, because you are gaining better control over language by the day. So at the end of the semester, at the end of your degree, just think of what all you can learn, how much you can improve, right? And in the interview, let me tell you, this is one skill which will really help you. Even if your grades are not as good, you were not the topper of the class, if you can speak well, you will be hired within minutes, right? Because they want to know what your ideas, and they can know your ideas only when you speak them. You might be very bright, but if you cannot express yourself, then it is of no use, right? So our class is about to end. This was a really good class, and I like that you respond really well. And I'm looking forward to our next class now. And I'll try to have some activity which is, improve your spoken skills, your written skills. And I'll also have a little grammar revision of the correct tenses, right? Something we can discuss related to how to enrich our vocabulary as well. So I'm ending the class here. Thank you for your patience. Yes, do not buy any book as yet. I'll let you know whenever we have a good book which I can recommend. All right?